everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are talking marketing, but most specifically how to market product kits. I'm seeing a ton of people switching over to selling product kits. Ideally, you should be creating kits which a large variety of people will find value from, but this video is not about creating kits, it's about marketing kits. So I want to help you market these product kits. I want to make sure you are getting more eyes on your product kits and hopefully more sales through your online store. Now, as always, for the best beauty, business, marketing, and content creation tips, make sure you hit the bell notification as well as the subscribe button so that you are notified every time I release a new video every week. All right, so I'm gonna try and keep this video fairly short. I'm gonna try and hit you really quick with the 5 different ways that you can market your product kits. Coming in at number 1 is email marketing. You've probably heard this so many times, why it is so important to have an email list. And as you might have learned now, for situations like this is exactly why it is so important to be collecting emails throughout the year, to be collecting emails at special events you go to or conventions you go to promote yourself, or during sales on your online store. This is the exact reason why it is so important to collect emails. So when situations such as this pandemic shutdown arise, you can easily remain in contact with your current and past clients, and it's a great way to communicate any upcoming sales, any new products coming out in your online store, and most specifically sell your product kits without promoting to social media. If you have not already utilized your email list to market your product kits, doesn't matter if you have 5 people on your email list or if you have 5,000 on your email list. I highly recommend just sending an email out talking about the kits, how they can bring their value, maybe highlight 1 or 2 of the kits, and then of course directly link it to your online store. Email marketing can be an absolutely amazing tool. It's a direct way to communicate with your ideal audience, with your current and past clients. All right, so moving along, let's go into video. So as you know, I love Instagram. I do a lot of my videos on Instagram because it's such a great platform. So when I'm talking video, I'm talking Instagram lives, Instagram video stories, and then also posting videos to your Instagram feed. What we have to remember is that Instagram wants its platform to be personable. They want to see faces, they want to see smiles. So if you've been posting all these graphics or pictures of the products and you're noticing you're not getting a high reach, I highly recommend you switch to some sort of video form of marketing, utilizing those 3 that I just mentioned. It's been proven time and time again that Instagram highly favors video content. So give those 3 types of video content a try. Again, that's videos to your feed, Instagram videos in your stories, and then Instagram lives. I can guarantee you that your video content will see so many more eyes than your regular graphic posts. All right, so now that we have video marketing and email marketing covered, I want you to know that even though you might feel like you're talking about your product kits too much, you most likely you're not. Because of the algorithm, because of user behavior, remember only, I think it's about 30% of your following will see your content, just because of the algorithm or when they use the app or what days they use the app in comparison to when you're posting. So if you think you're posting too much, you most likely are not posting enough. So give it a try. Maybe this week, do a couple more posts about your product kits and just see how things go. Remember that marketing is always about testing whether things work or whether things don't work. So there's really no harm in throwing in a couple more posts about your product kits and seeing what happens from it. If you get negative feedback, okay, so people are seeing too many of your product kit posts, and scale back a little, but it's better to give it a try and maybe you could get a couple more sales in than being too afraid to try and potentially losing out on those sales. Now, this 4th strategy is really fun. So as you know, I love Instagram as more of a networking platform instead of a posting platform. So do some investigating and go through your client list and see if any of your clients have a large following on social media. So if any of your clients have a large following on Instagram, don't ever hesitate to reach out to them and offer them perhaps a heavy discount or maybe even a free product kit in exchange for posting about the product kit on their story, or them doing a quick video talking about why they love your product kit so much and linking back to your page. Remember, people are more apt to purchase something if it is recommended by someone they trust, as in family and friends, or in this case, even influencers that they feel closely align with their values. So don't ever hesitate to reach out and use your clients' followings to your advantage. All right, so now that we know all these different ways to market your product kits, make sure that your profile is optimized for these product kits. So if this is one of your main sources of income at the moment, you want to make sure that your profile has a call to action in your description. You want to be saying, click here to see product kits, click here to purchase the product kits, click here to buy my product kits. You want to ensure your link in bio is correctly set up so it's going to your online store. Or perhaps if you're focusing on selling 3 different product kits, maybe you set up even a Linktree link, so then when someone clicks on your link in bio, they will see the retinol product kit, the facial at home product kit, and the anti-aging product kit. And they will directly be able to click on the specific button that they want, so the specific kit that they want. You just want to make it super, super easy for people to come to your profile and buy the kits. Now, if we're also putting in all this extra effort to create these Instagram stories talking about our kits, it would absolutely not hurt to create a product kit highlight and save that on your profile. So any new follower or any returning follower who wants to learn more about your product kits will easily be able to click on that Instagram highlight that's saved smack dab in the middle of your profile, and they can learn more about the kits you have that are available. All right, so I hope you found value in this video. I really, really hope you did. I know so many beauty business owners have switched to selling kits. So if you have any further questions about marketing your kits or anything at all, don't hesitate to leave it in the comments section below. Okay, so I hope you liked this video. Give it a thumbs up so I know this is the type of content you want to continue seeing. Until then, stay safe, stay well, and I will see you all in my next video.